Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by assessing the scalp. Is it dry or oily? Once done, mix 1-2 drops tea tree oil into a nickel-size medicated shampoo to boost antifungal action. Apply to dry hair, massaging with fingertips for 2-3 minutes to loosen scales. Don't scratch with nails. Make sure to rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat this procedure twice in the first week to reduce yeast and flakes quickly and adjust frequency based on initial improvement. Once the initial washes reduce visible flakes, add a deeper clean. Sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon baking soda into wet hands and gently scrub the scalp to exfoliate dead skin once weekly. Then alternate your medicated shampoo with a coal tar or zinc pyrithione formula every third or fourth wash to control oil and fungal growth. Make sure to apply conditioner only to hair ends so you don't trap oil on the scalp. This combination balances exfoliation and long-term control. You finish by setting a maintenance plan. Once flakes are controlled, wash 2-3 times weekly with medicated shampoo to prevent relapse. If irritation or burning appears, stop active products immediately and switch to a gentle, fragrance-free shampoo for 3-5 days to let the barrier recover. If you still have persistent flakes, severe redness, oozing, or no improvement in 6 to 8 weeks, consult a clinician. Sometimes prescription.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.